Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download TikTok on PC. So first things first, what you're going to do is you have to go to your start menu, and then this time you have to look for Microsoft Store, click open. Here what you're going to do is go to the search bar and then type TikTok. You have to type it right here. Scroll down and tap on TikTok. Now you will see install or get. What you're going to do is you have to tap on this button right here. Tap to install or get this application. Wait for a couple of minutes. Make sure you have strong internet. Once done, you can now open your TikTok and you can use your TikTok here on your PC. Now, if your Microsoft Store is not functioning well or there's something wrong with that, then you can just go to any web browser, and then at this time on your web browser, you have to look for TikTok or download TikTok. Then you will see here different tools and sites where you can download your TikTok. So for example, this one right here, all you have to do is to click this and then download TikTok, and then after that go to your download folder and then run this as administrator. So basically that's how easy it is to download TikTok on PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.